Today, I'm going to be talking about intermittent fasting and sharing with you a complete guide using the 16-8-hour method. Intermittent fasting is one of the most common approach, if not the commonest approach to weight loss. A lot of women have tried intermittent fasting. Some saw results, some didn't see. Those of us that did not see did it the wrong way. And that is why I'm going to be sharing with you how you can go about your intermittent fasting the right way to lose weight. For the sake of those who are new to intermittent fasting, let me just give a quick intro. Intermittent fasting is a form of dietary pattern that alternates between eating and fasting periods, meaning you're going to be fasting for a certain period of time and the remaining hours you're going to be eating. There are various types of intermittent fasting. We have the 24-hour method, the 16-8-hour method, which is the most common method, the 18-6, people do the 5-2 days, the 24 hours, 36 hours, 72 hours. Those ones are not ideal. The one which is safe is the 16-8-hour method. 24-hour method too is also okay, but let's stick with 16-8-hour method. So this is the main thing about intermittent fasting. When we fast for a long period of time, our body exhausts its glucose stores and switches to fat for energy. This is called metabolic switching. However, intermittent fasting, if done the wrong way, will not make you see results. So that means you also have to count calories if you're even doing intermittent fasting. You can't eat anyhow you like. So intermittent fasting can also work if you know you're trying to have a good relationship with food, or maybe you're trying to regulate the way you eat. You don't want to eat every time of the day. You want to be more disciplined with food. It works too. Let's go with the 16-8-hour method with a 1,500 calorie diet, and that is the calorie deficit diet. Okay, it's going to work for you if you want to lose weight. Now let's start from the night before, 8 p.m. Your fast starts 8 p.m. on the dot. So you're not taking anything. You're not eating anything after 8 p.m. You're not even taking cucumbers. You're not taking anything. The only thing you can take is water. So that's how you sleep early. Okay, wake up the next morning, 6 a.m. You're ready to start your day. You can take water, you can take green tea, you can take black tea, but you're not adding sugar, you're not adding creamer, you're not even adding stevia to it. Okay, and of course you can take apple cider vinegar with water. 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar works too. You can take that till it's 12 p.m. and when it's 12 p.m. we now start to eat. The reason why I'm going to be breaking this down is because a lot of people eat so fast because 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. let me quickly eat what I want to eat. So you now eat everything your body has even burned from the night before or throughout your fast, and you eat double, and that's why it doesn't work. So once it's 12 p.m. you can break with something like chicken salad. It's going to be filling for you, and when you're having your chicken salad, let's say 100 grams of chicken breast with 2 cups of cabbage, 2 cups of carrots, that works too. So that's about 300 calories in total. Once it's like 3 p.m. you can go over to have your lunch, and your lunch should be about 500 calories. That works well too. And have chicken and rice. So let's say your 1 cup of cooked rice with chicken and vegetables, or 1.5 cups of cooked rice. Whatever you're having, just ensure you're counting calories and it's 500 calories. 5 p.m. you can have snack before dinner, and whatever snack you're having, you can have 1 cup of Greek yogurt with a tablespoon of chia seeds, maybe a cup of Greek yogurt with some nuts, or half cup of Greek yogurt with some granola. Whatever you're having, just ensure it's about 300 calories. And dinner, whatever dinner you're having, should be about 400 calories. Voila, you've had about 1,500 calorie diet. You're on a calorie deficit. You've done your intermittent fasting right, and this is how you should do it regularly. Intermittent fasting shouldn't be done alternate days because it's not going to be effective. It should be done every day till you've achieved your body goals. That is how it works. Intermittent fasting is not safe for children. It is not safe for breastfeeding or pregnant women. It is not safe for people with eating disorders, and it is not safe for people who are diabetic. Ensure you also consult with your medical practitioner if you have any underlying medical condition like peptic ulcer disease or whatever. Just ensure you talk with your doctor first to know if it is safe for you to go with intermittent fasting, and if it is not, other dietary plans will work. Just ensure you're in a calorie deficit. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. I hope you learned a thing or two, and if you have any question, want me to talk about anything else in the comment section, let me know. See you next week. Love you. Bye.